What's going on, guys? Matt with No BS Beard Reviews. Boom! The brand new seasonal scent 7 from Live Bearded is here. Now, guys, this is dropping tomorrow for all of you Live Bearded VIPs. I'll drop a link below to sign up to become a Live Bearded VIP. It's going to give you 1 day early access to 7, the brand new fall seasonal release from Live Bearded. Now, 7 was created and named, it's got a whole, Asian background. It's based off of the sacred virtues of the Bushido. If you want to learn more about all that, head over to livebearded.com. I'll drop that link below. You can learn all about the marketing for this. But what I want to do is get into the scent of this, because this is unlike anything Live Bearded has ever done before. So I've been a Live Bearded fan since day one. I discovered them years ago, back when they only had like 3 or 4 scents, and they've been doing these limited edition seasonal scents now for a few years, and they get better every time they drop. 7 is no exception. So 7 is based off of Hinoki cypress, patchouli, and amber. You can see the scent profile there. Now, this is unlike anything Live Bearded has ever done. And now, if I had one word to describe this, it's going to be exquisite. This is not your average Live Bearded scent. It's dark, it's masculine, this is like a date night cologne. No, that word would be exotic. Exotic is what this is. It's unlike anything they've ever done before. It's really good, to be honest with you. You get that Hinoki cypress. It's kind of a dark, masculine, woody scent. It opens up a little bit with the patchouli, and then the amber gives it just a touch of sweetness on the back end. Just really nice. Really, this is a phenomenal scent. I said it. I had to get it out. This one is a phenomenal scent. You can see the artwork there with the samurai. Let's get the limited edition. Yeah, this is one you don't want to miss. So scent duration on this is a good strong scent. I'm getting like 8 hours plus on this particular scent. I've actually got it in beard now, so I'm not going to put any in, but I will throw some in my hands. Get your typical dropper top. Oh, dark, masculine, date night cologne. It's exotic. It's, again, unlike anything, I can't pass it up. Unlike anything Live Bearded has done before. It's perfect for fall too. It's not like your traditional fall scent, but it's really good. So yeah, that's 7. Again, I love this beard butter. I just trimmed my beard a little bit shorter recently, and gives me the perfect styling properties, keeps my beard looking good all day. So yeah, highly recommend you check out 7. Again, this will drop tomorrow, Thursday, which is that, the 17th? I'm looking at a screen here. Let me look at a calendar real quick. So yes, it's going to drop on the 17th to those VIPs. The 18th, it'll go to the general public if there's any still available. But yeah, definitely pick this one up. Oh, use No BS 10. You can use No BS 10 to save a little bit off of your order. So this traditionally sells in a kit where you get your beard wash, your beard conditioner, beard oil, as well as your beard butter. Not sure the exact pricing on this, but yeah, it should be a good one to pick up. All right, guys. As always, thanks so much for watching. God bless you. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.